So welcome to Paraphrasing Strategies. This is our 6th video. Here we'll be looking at the 6th strategy, which is using a combination of techniques to paraphrase. The learning outcome for this session would be that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use a combination of techniques when paraphrasing. To paraphrase effectively, it is recommended to use a combination of techniques rather than relying on a single method. This approach allows you to rephrase information more accurately and avoid unintentional plagiarism. Key strategies include using synonyms, changing word order, varying sentence structure, and altering sentence length. So now we're going to look at one example. This is a news cutting, and I'm going to use the first paragraph from this article. So if you'd like, you could pause the video to take a quick read to understand the whole text. Okay, so now we're going to do a breakdown to the first example. I have here the first paragraph. Okay, this is the original paragraph. Malaysia, as ASEAN chair, has pledged to take decisive action against transnational job scam syndicates, placing the issue at the forefront of its regional agenda, said the Foreign Ministry. That's quite a mouthful. So, the paraphrased version, of course, this is just a suggested version. So, it says, as the ASEAN chair, Malaysia has committed to addressing transnational job scam syndicates decisively, prioritizing the issue on its regional agenda, according to the Foreign Ministry. So you can see that there are several different methods used to create the paraphrased version. First one, I think it's the most obvious, is the synonymous substitution. The words pledged was replaced with committed, and the phrase take decisive action was reworded as addressing decisively. So you can see other examples here, but these are the most obvious ones. Another one would be reordering the phrases, rearranged placing the issue at the forefront of its regional agenda into prioritizing the issue on its regional agenda. So this creates a smoother readability. The next one would be simplification. So we condensed placing the issue at the forefront into the clearer and shorter prioritizing the issue. You can see it's much shorter and straightforward, easier to understand. There's also attribution adjustment, where the phrase said the Foreign Ministry was paraphrased as according to the Foreign Ministry. So this just improves its flow. And lastly, preserving core meaning. This is also very important. The main message of Malaysia's commitment and its leadership role as ASEAN chair remains intact. And this is, of course, the most important thing when you paraphrase. You have to keep the meaning in context. So now it's your turn to try the other exercises on your own. Do check out the exercises in the module. I hope you found this lesson useful, and I wish you all the best in the rest of this course. Thank you, and till we meet again.